Hi guys and welcome to my channel Happy Pink Studio. Completely different background, beautiful weather in Bangalore, totally in love with it, and with that I'm going to start my first fashion haul today. Well, recently there was a huge sale going on. It's still going on actually, online, even on stores. So I had to splurge. I had to buy a lot of things. I'm a big shopaholic. I don't believe in saving money. I just love spending money and I love buying clothes. So here is my first fashion haul. I have bought both from online and store. So I will show you my haul now. So let's get started. But before that, please do not forget to hit on the subscribe button. Thank you, and let's move ahead. Now the first top what I got was a off-shoulder top. Now this I bought from Fabele. Now this was for rupees 1300, but I got it for 900 or something. And a beautiful off-shoulder top in black and a ruffle off-shoulder top. Really good. It's very comfortable. I love the lace work what it has. It's really beautiful. I've not worn it till now. I'm just waiting for the perfect day to wear it. Now I'm not showing all the dresses by wearing it because I will be wearing it. And I'll be definitely doing a OOTD on Instagram, my Facebook page and on Twitter too. So I'm not going to wear it and show, but this is something I really love. So I'm really excited to wear this too. I'm sorry about the background noise. I'm outside and there's some construction work which is going around. So my second top is also an off-shoulder top. I got this from Westside and this was not on sale. This was for $12.99. I loved it. Beautiful color. Now this is not a ruffle off-shoulder top. Now the difference between a ruffle off-shoulder top and an off-shoulder top, I'll just show you. Now this off-shoulder top which I showed you, it has a layer like this, which is really good. It will make you really comfortable. Now this doesn't have a layer like that on top of it. So this is an off-shoulder top and that black one is a ruffle off-shoulder top. Now this is full sleeve and it has elastic here. So it's very cute and very comfortable. I'm going to wear a nice neck piece with it. That's it. Now the third top which I got is from Marie Claire. Now I got this top. This is not iron because I've worn it once. Now I got this top from Myntra. Myntra was running a sale. I got this for $720. It was online for $900 something, but after the sale I got it for $720. I really love the color. This was also available in peach, but I have a lot of peach tops. I wanted a light blue color one, so I picked this up and I'm going to be wearing it with white jeans or light blue jeans, and this is it. I recently went to Decathlon. It's a sports shop in Bangalore. I'm sure it is open now in most parts of India. I really fell in love with this shirt the moment I saw it. It was a complete summer top. I loved it. Took one more top in the same pattern but in pink color. I loved it. It is also beautiful, subtle, such a pretty color. I'm going to wear an inner with it and will be wearing it with jeans, skirt. So I love both the top. I have worn this. I have not worn this till now. Now I got this for 500 each. The moment I saw it, I fell in love with it. So and then when I saw the price, it was 500 and I was like, best deal. So I jumped straight into it and I bought it. So now coming to dresses, I had gone to Zara store and they are also running a very nice sale, and I picked up this dress. Now this is a flowery dress, so beautiful, floral print in black. I really wanted a floral dress and the moment I saw it was in black, I just jumped and bought it. I got it for 1500 or something. I'm not sure about this price because I got it last month, but I have not worn it till now. It's really pretty. It comes till my knee. Now I'm not going to put any accessories with it because the floral print in itself is very loud, so I don't need to accessorize it. And this is something I really love. I love wearing dresses, so I bought this dress from Dorothy Perkins on Jabong. Now I fell in love with it the moment I saw it because Now I'm going to repeat this sentence of falling in love with clothes quite often. Now this I have to get it altered because this is too big for me, but this was only last piece available, so I picked it up. I remember getting it for around 1800 or something. Now I'm going to get it altered because this is big for me. Now this comes below my knee. Now I'm looking mainly at the flip screen because I can see how I'm showing the dresses properly. So this has a detail like this behind, a small button, and I loved it. I'm going to wear it very soon. I have not worn it till now. It has the tag also. I have not worn it till now. I love Dorothy Perkins brand. I love all this stuff. They have really good stuff and the material is so comfortable, I can't tell you. And I'm just waiting for the day to wear it, and I'm going to do an OOTD when I wear it. Now I got one more dress. This is from Tokyo Talkies. Now I love this dress too. It has the floral print below. I really loved it. I got this from ABOF, ABOF. That is the Aditya Birla clothing line, I think so, yeah. So it is this full sleeve blue and red. Now I got this dress for 800 rupees. This was really cheap. I had to pick it up because I really loved it. Now this also comes till my knee length. I loved it, and I'm going to wear it when I go for a coffee or for a movie, and I'm going to wear a beautiful earring with this, and I'm definitely going to do a OOTD on Instagram, Facebook, whenever I wear this because I just love the floral print, and for the price it is really worth it. It's very comfortable and a very smooth material. And Tokyo Talkies is a brand which I really like because they don't keep a very high price range for their products. They keep very low range and very good material. Like I have a lot of their dresses and I'm in love with all of them. They have not got spoiled even till now. So Tokyo Talkies is something which I would really recommend. I'm going to show you all my favorite dress which my husband picked up for me. Now this dress is from Marie Claire. This is available, I think we bought it from Myntra. I just loved the detail. It is baby pink color. It has this black color sleeves, and below also it has this black color frill. I really loved it. I have not worn it till now, and this is priced at 2,499, but I remember getting it for 1,599 or something like that. Yeah, I got it for that much. Very small sleeves, but very pretty dress. It is such a beautiful color. I'm definitely going to wear it very soon because my husband chose for me and he was very happy choosing this for me. The moment he saw this, he was like, Shrija, buy it. So I was like, ah! I was so happy. I love the frill below, and this also comes till my knee, actually below my knee length. This is very comfortable and I'm going to wear it very soon. Now Marie Claire is one brand which I really love. Now the blue top which I have shown you is from Marie Claire. There are many tops which I have bought from Marie Claire because I really love their tops. They have such beautiful print and the quality of the dresses and the tops are excellent. So definitely go for it. Buy when there's a sale on Jabong and Myntra. Now I'm coming to the Indian side. Now this is an Indian western dress which I have picked from Sangria. A beautiful dress. It is till my ankle and it's very pretty dress. I love the detailing it has. The blue, the orange, the red, the green color. I fell in love with it. I bought it from a brand called Sangria. It was available on Jabong and this was for around 1,000 rupees or something. I don't think so this is available. This was also on black color. I wanted that too, but by the time I went to buy that, it was out of stock. Now I love this one. This I have not worn. I'll tell you the correct price. It's written 1699 here, but I think I got it for 1,000 rupees or something. Now I'm planning to wear this when I have to attend any housewarming party, any festival. Now there are many festivals which are coming soon, so I'm going to be wearing this definitely for one of those things. It has this button detail in front and behind it's completely plain. And I just love the frill, and you will see me very soon wearing this. I'm going to accessorize it by wearing a very small jhumka or any Indian earring with it, and that's it, and perfect to go then. And then I'm going to show you my last top. I'm really upset it's last. Well, I got one sleeveless top. It was for around 300 rupees. The moment I saw it, I was like, let's buy, I can wear it at ghar pe bhi. But when I wore it, my husband really loved it. I've worn it twice outside. I really liked it. It has the button detail in front. It is not long. It's a perfect top which I wore with jeans. Very, very comfortable, and it was for just 300 rupees. Is something which I really picked up the moment I saw the price, and it fits me very, very well. I love the brand Sangria. They have really, really good clothes on Jabong. They have the dresses which is literally Indo-Western type of dresses, and they have variety of sizes which is really good about them, and very good material. I have been buying Sangria dresses from past 1 year, and I really love it. So guys, here was my first fashion haul, the first haul which I have done. I was very excited to shoot it outside. I'm sorry about the background noise. This is the first time I'm shooting outside, so I'm really, really excited. And do not forget to take part on the giveaway. If you have not seen the giveaway video, I'm going to link it here or here. I'm going to link it here, I guess. So please do take part in the giveaway and comment below and let me know which dress you like the most. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to see more hauls like this, then please comment below and let me know. Please support my channel by subscribing to it. Hit on the like button. Till next time, bye. You all have a great day.